Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's CJ and I just got home from work. It's a nice cool fall evening. So I've got the LS MT240E out with the backhoe back on it. And we're going to try to dig out this big maple stump here. Alright, so maple tree stump 1, me 0. The LS is doing a great job here. This is a big job for this tractor. But I've been trying to find a gap down here on this bottom edge, but I just can't find one. There's too many roots. But we're going to come back. I'm running out of daylight tonight, so I'm going to have to quit. So we're going to come back here in the next couple days, and we're going to get this tree stump out of the ground. Alright everybody, so we're back out here. What I've done since the last time I've worked on this is I've taken my mattock and chopped out the dirt from underneath some of these roots. There is a big root over on this other side. So I'm going to take the chainsaw, cut these roots off, and then we'll go ahead and put a strap on here and try to get it to start pulling out. Alright, so what's better than one 40 horsepower tractor? Two 40 horsepower tractors. I'm tired of messing with this. I've spent 3 days on it so far. I gotta get firewood cut, so we're gonna try to rip this thing up out of here with both of my tractors. My regular tractor and then the 40 horse that LS sent me. And we're gonna put Kelsey on one from LS, have her pull on the backhoe while I'm pulling with the ball on my drawbar and trying to rip this thing out. So we'll see how this goes. Right, so I had this vision in my head of being able just to rip this thing up out of the ground, even though I knew this was a pretty big job for the LS. It's just, these roots are just way too big and way too deep in the ground. I haven't even been able to get this thing to budge yet. But I mean, it's not the tractor's fault by any means. I mean, look at these holes here, right here, over here. And I got some deep holes over this way. It's just, I'm running out of time. I'm down to weeks left with this tractor. And I've got other jobs for it. We got firewood to do. So we're gonna start burning this stump out of the ground. It's gonna take days, and this is just something that we can come back to whenever we have time. But in the meantime, for now, I'm gonna try to get this yard fixed back up and put the dirt back in and make it look nice again. Yeah, kind of a bummer I couldn't get that stump out, but this thing could have done it. There's no doubt about that. It's just I would have had a massive hole dug, and who knows how long it would have taken me. I'm sure any of you could have done this quicker than what I did, but yeah, we'll just come back, we'll burn it out. It wasn't a priority, it was just a video I was trying to make to show what this thing can do. And we got another job for it. I'd like to get on the trails and try to cut some roads in on the hillside to make some trails so I can get down in my woods finally before this thing goes. So maybe that'll be a better video to demonstrate the backhoe. But yeah, we'll come back to this. We'll show you when the stump gets burned out. It's going to take a long time, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, thanks for watching.